Welcome to Eric Blackman Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackman Music. In this session, I'm going to show you how I play All I Want for Christmas Is You by Mariah Carey on alto saxophone. It's going to go something like this. Alright, so let's play that a little slower, and as I play it, notes will appear on the screen. Alright, that's how I play All I Want for Christmas Is You on alto saxophone. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.